Yes, hell to the world, everybody wherever you're watching from. This goes to the Nollywood community, to the family of Junior Pop, and those victims that died during the production of the movie called The Other Side of Life. It is really, really so sad as an actor to hear such a very disturbing news. Yeah, I'm here to grieve with you. It is such a very disturbing news. I've been on internet since this happened, and I was trying to realize and understand, is this really true? Until when, yes, I found out it was really true. It is so sad. My name is Munaffe Okuva. I'm a Ugandan filmmaker. I'm an actor, a producer, writer, and a leader in the movie industry. I'm the former president for the Producers Guild in Uganda. It is really shocking to hear that Pop is no longer with us. I've been a very great follower of Junior Pop. I've liked his movies. I've really liked what he does. But it is so saddening and disheartening to hear that Pop left us in such a very reckless way. Yeah, it is so disturbing. So to everybody in Nigeria, everybody in the movie industry, I've been watching a lot on internet. A lot. And oh yes, it is really, really heartbreaking. So, something that I must tell you is a lot is really happening in the movie industry. When I remember a statement that Junior Pop made while he was cruising on the boat, he said, a lot we pass through to entertain you. Yes, as actors, as movie producers, there is a lot of stuff that we go through to produce for you something that you watch on TV and you feel entertained and you feel happy and you feel represented. A lot is happening behind cameras. A lot happens. Yes, I'm very sure there is something that I know, that I've heard, that death is like a robe. Wherever it finds you, you have to wear it no matter what. No matter who you are, you have to put on that robe. Yeah, we might go into a blame game. We blame this, we blame who, we blame the other, we blame him of not putting on a life jacket. But I'm telling you, my brother, when your time comes, you cannot run away from it. When God says it is your day today, wherever you've hidden yourself, you cannot just survive it. Me, I would say maybe it was his time. R.I.P. John Pop. Because you've been an actor that I've always been looking forward to working with. That is truth being told here on camera. You're one of the top Nigerian actors that I've always wanted to work with. And in the near future, I really needed to work with you, but God didn't make it. But those are his ways. We plan as he plans. But nothing I can say beyond that. I've seen a lot of reactionary videos on the internet blaming the producer, blaming her of being so reckless to her crew members. My brother, my sister, let me tell you something about film production. There is no any single producer who would really want such a bad thing to happen against his crew, against his team. There's no producer on this earth that would love to see such a thing happen on his set. I'm speaking this because I'm a producer, I'm an actor, I'm a director, I'm almost everything in the industry. So you will blame her this, you blame her that, you blame her on everything. But you guys, you are right to blame her if you must. Blame her if you must. But you don't know, you cannot imagine the pain she's going through. You don't know what grief she has. You don't know what she's going through right now. You don't know what that lady is feeling right now. I would just ask you, be considerate. Forgive her. Forgive her. You don't know the fire she's carrying on her chest. You don't know. If it was your project, how would you feel losing crew members? How would you feel if it were you? It is not some pain that you can just erase within a minute and it disappears. She's going through a lot. I beg, reconsider her. I've seen writings from the Nigeria Actors Guild banning her from production, not letting actors work with her indefinitely. Yes, I'm not saying what you did is wrong. No, what you did was right. But reconsider her. Reconsider her career. That lady you have, you don't know what she's going through right now. I'm not a Nigerian. I'm not anywhere from Nigeria or West Africa. I'm from Uganda. But I know what she must be going through right now. Losing, you just can't hold it. For example, when you just have one of your crew members sick, let's say a main actor on your set is sick, he holds everything. Everything on set is put on hold. The investments, the money, the machines, and everything is just put on hold. But can you imagine death? Death reaching your set. Oh God. Oh goodness. This is something no one would wish to happen on his set. I'm telling you. So Nigerians, everywhere, everyone who is blaming the producer of the movie, please, yes, to Ella is to a man. Forgive her, but reconsider her career. Reconsider her career. To those who have lost their loved ones, I just ask the Almighty God to keep you strong. To keep you strong. It is really, really a bad experience. It is. So Nigerians, my fellow filmmakers, yeah, I've seen so many posts from fellow film producers in Nigeria, actors blaming her this, blaming her that. How careless, how what? Yes, I know. But doing film production in Africa is one of the hardest things. You always watch what happens on screen, but you don't know what happens behind screen. So, to the survivors, God is so good. To those who managed to survive, God gave you a second chance. Thank Him. Thank Him. Who are you to remain alive when others have died? Who are you not to thank Him? Thank Him. The Lord is so great. If He spared you, He gave you a second chance to live. Appreciate Him. Appreciate Him. I've seen so many stuff going on the internet when they're blaming Jelly Awilo. Yes, they have blamed him for posting John Pope when he's dead. Yes, blame him if you must. But let me tell you one thing. You cannot just believe the confusion that was going on the internet for about the 2 days since the incident happened. You don't know what confusion we the fans and everybody around, you don't know what they were going through. I've been seeing videos saying Pope is alive, Pope is still alive, and I've even seen him saying I'm still alive. So which way would we believe the actual death of our brother? We could not. But until when I saw this video that Jello posted, that's when I realized that the worst had happened. That the brother was no more. The brother had gone. You know, internet is full of a lot. They'll bring old videos and you feel like they're, very new. So you who is very far away, you cannot, you will keep in confusion. So don't blame. Let him grieve for his brother. Let him grieve. Don't blame him. A lot we've seen on the internet, a lot we could not believe. After an hour, somebody comes up with a new post. Pop is alive. Pop is fine. Pop is what? And you're like, oh, thank you, God. Thank you, God, that he has made it. Thank you, God. And then after an hour, somebody is saying Pop is dead. So how could we believe it? Until when I saw the video, I came to understand that a brother is no more. So stop the blame game. Let's hit reality. You know, we movie stars, there's something that happens. Something can happen when you die because the audience is so used to watching you on screen die in so many movies. Each and every movie you die. So when there is hoax news on the internet, somebody says this one is dead, and you just keep in confusion that is this really true or what? But until when internet reached everywhere, that's when we at least managed to speak to our dear ones, our celebrities, our actors, that you can speak and follow his pages and you really find out that at least this person is still okay or no more. So I felt like respecting my brother Pope. So sorry. May the good Lord receive your humble soul in peace. May the good Lord comfort all your family members and give them strength. And every victim, every actor, every crew member who died on that set. Oh God, I'm so sorry for your families. I'm really so sorry. To the community of Nollywood, Nigeria, West Africa, Uganda grieves with you. The Ugandan film industry grieves with you. It is such a big loss to lose such a vibrant talent. You know, there's something that happens and you don't take it to be real, but yet it is real. But Pope, man, nothing to do. But I love you so much. Stay blessed.